Welcome to the Big Easy. In this week's video, I'm going to give y'all my best advice on how to spend a weekend in New Orleans. I'm going to be taking you through the heart of the French Quarter, the historic Garden District, back into the bayous to feed some gators, and showing you a real hidden gem, City Park. We finish our trip by making our way up the Mississippi to the Grand Oak Alley Plantation. Hey guys, so we are currently in New Orleans exploring the Garden District. We're taking a free tour of historic homes. You can actually download a PDF online that will tell you exactly what the history is behind some of these houses. We just passed back there. It's actually Sandra Bullock's New Orleans home, which is so cool. Magazine Street. We're gonna have dinner here, and we just saw the cutest ice cream place that I think we're gonna go into, and it's getting close to 6, so it looks like everything closes at 6, but maybe we'll still be able to hit up a couple of places. Hi. To go eat at the Red Dog Diner. I read really good reviews about this place online. I'll be sure to show you guys what we order. Okay, Red Dog Diner, highly recommend. Margaritas were delicious. I had the steak wedge salad, but I subbed the bacon dressing instead of the blue cheese. It was so good. Sophie's Pizza was amazing. And it was a great dinner. It wouldn't be a stop in New Orleans without going to Café du Monde. But you're picking your nose in the picture. We just had our first experience at Café du Monde. We got here like right before 8 o'clock, and I want to say by 8:10 there was a line around the block, but totally worth it. But I would say get here early, and the other thing is you have to pay with cash. We didn't know that beforehand, but thankfully we had some cash, so just keep that in mind. What did you think of Café du Monde?
I liked it so much.
So much? Yeah. What was your favorite part?
The sugar and the bottom of it.
One of the guys that works here gave me a little secret tip. There's a window around the building where you can actually watch how they're being made, which is so awesome. I'll definitely insert a clip of that here. And now we're gonna go check out Jackson Square. Leaving Jackson Square, heading over to the heart of the quarter, over to Bourbon Street. So we're headed back over to the Jackson Square area, and we're gonna go and try and grab some lunch. Enjoy our time here before our swamp tour later. What are we about to do?
We're driving a boat now.
What do you hope to see?
Alligators.
You gonna feed them?
Yeah.
right, made a stop at City Park. Stefan's flying the drone a little bit to get some good views. But yeah, after we finished our swamp tour, we decided to head back into the city. We're staying very close to City Park, so we decided to finally check out this park, and I think it's a great spot if you want to get away from all the people in the city. It's absolutely beautiful. There's these gorgeous oak trees and Spanish moss everywhere, and there's even a huge playground, which is awesome if you're here with kids. But yeah, I'm such a sucker for these huge oak trees. I just absolutely love them. I think they're the most beautiful trees, and this park is just filled with them. So, you know, if you've got some time just to walk around and take it easy, this is a beautiful area. There's gorgeous houses all around here, and awesome activity for kids as well, because they can kind of just run and you don't really have to worry about all the people and the grossness of the quarter. Day in New Orleans. We're gonna go have breakfast at a place called Surrey's Cafe and Juice Bar. We just tried to go to the Lafayette Cemetery, but guess what? It's closed on Sundays. So we got up super early to go there so that we wouldn't have a crowd, and my husband is crazy. But yeah, so we're gonna go have some breakfast. This place is supposed to be really good. And later today we're going to Oak Alley Plantation, which I'm so excited about. I can't wait to see it. So I will show you guys what we're gonna have for breakfast. Welcome to Oak Alley Plantation. So a tour of the house is included in the admission price, and the best part is at the end they let you go up to the second floor balcony and take as many photos as you want of that gorgeous alley. I'll be sure to show you guys in a minute. I'm just exploring the rest of the balcony, and it is stunning. These views are fantastic. Alright guys, that's it for our New Orleans Oak Alley Plantation travel guide. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up because it really supports our channel. And stay tuned for more travel guides in the future.